We have finally detached the rusty and greasy rear diff. Take a look at the pictures and see for yourself. Then we made wooden protection blocks on both ends to prevent water and sand from entering the diff. You can see the water sanding in action. After that, we applied acid to deactivate and control instant surface rust. Then we applied 2K rust protection primer, followed by the final 2K matte blacktop coat, and of course, some reassembly at the end. We ordered brand new parts and seals, no compromises. Then we carefully heated the freshly painted components to properly cure the coating and ensure maximum durability.